Hi, hello, good afternoon, my gorgeous ladies. How are you doing all? Hope you all are doing fine and healthy. I'm at Brand Mandir store, Jubilee Hills store to showcase beautiful Bandini Georgettes. Anni Bandini anamata different varieties I'm going to show you. So stay tuned in our live. Don't miss today's collection. They are very lovely and pretty sarees. So let's start with mannequins first. Yes, చూసేసారు కదా ఎంత బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉన్నాయో mannequin sarees. So let's start with my saree. The one which I am wearing is very lovely royal blue. Banarasi Bandini Georgette. Crisscross lines, cross checks, diamonds, beautiful peacocks, elephants, deers here, florals, here Bandini buttas, and lovely border, kadi with elephants, peacocks. Very gorgeous border. Super ga undi. Pallu, cross checks, with beautiful peacocks, florals, deeds and elephants. And the multicolor meena. Nice. Blouse, self plain with border. To buy this sari, here is the pricing and details. It's 16,240. Take a screenshot along with the code CH313. Do ping us on 733-733-7000. You can go for self color blouse or else meeku designer blouse kavalante. Look at this stunning gorgeous blouse once. Beautiful blouse from our brand. Just check the design in detail. Very lovely. For such kind of lovely blouses, contact our brand, Afa Rupamani and the brand from our brand Mandir. Any query regarding designing, just do ping us on 733-733-7000. Follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page. Subscribe our channel Brand Mandir in YouTube and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection, you will be getting notified. Let's see another lovely saree. సో సంక్రాంతి వస్తుంది, బ్యూటిఫుల్ కైట్ ఫెస్టివల్. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ ఎగ్జైటెడ్. అప్పుడు బాగుంటుంది ఎక్కువ ఈ బాందినీస్ అనేది, జార్జెట్స్ అనేది సంక్రాంతికి బాగుంటుంది. ఇలా కట్టుకొని చక్కగా దోపుకొని కైట్స్ ఎగరేస్తే అది వేరబ్బా. బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీ. సో ఈ సారీ వచ్చేసి సీ గ్రీన్ అండ్ నావీ బ్లూ కాంబినేషన్లో ఉంది. Cross checks with floral buttas as well as bandini buttas. Beautiful bandini Banarasi Georgette, and this is the border navy blue, floral vines, cross checks and dotted buttas. Very lovely. And this is the pallu, cross checks with floral vines, floral motifs as well as bandini buttas. And this is the pretty blouse, contrast with bandini buttas and border. చాలా ముద్దుగా ఉంది. జార్జెట్స్ అంటేనే నాకు కొంచెం ఇష్టం బాగా. 9,768. CH146 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and do ping us on 733-733-7000. చాలా కంఫర్టబుల్ ఉంటాయండి బాందినీస్. అండ్ ఇలా ప్లీట్స్ పెట్టుకోవడానికి కూడా చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. సో అందరూ చాలా బాగున్నారని నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. అండ్ బీ సేఫ్ గైస్, ద కేసెస్ ఆర్ రైజింగ్. సో టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్, టేక్ మెడికేషన్స్, wear mask and use regular sanitizer as usual. మనం ఎప్పుడు ఇందాక స్టార్టింగ్లో ఎలా చేసాం అలా ఉండాలి. మన కోసమే కదా, మన సేఫ్టీ కోసమే కదా. మీరు పెట్టుకోలేదు కదా అనకండి, నేను పెట్టుకొని చేస్తే బాగోదు మాస్క్ పెట్టుకొని. సో బ్యూటిఫుల్ సారీ, పీచ్ అండ్ గ్రే కలర్. cross checks with florals and leaves and bandhani buttas. Border grey color, cross curvy checks with leaf buttas. Pallu contrast with floral buttas as well as bandhani buttas, contrast pallu. Yes, blouse contrast with border. Bandhani buttas kuda vachai. To buy this saree, here is the pricing and details. 9,768 and WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. CH183 is the code. Yes. Next saree. I'm just waiting for your messages. Any color combinations do you require? I can show you. Beautiful brown color, bandhani. It's not Banarasi, it's a bandhani. Pure Chanderi. Tie and dye saree, and this is the downside. Beautiful half diamond border, half bandhani. Pallu anta kuda Madhubani printed pallu. Beautiful florals and leaf circles. Lovely birds, peacocks. Madhubani printed andi adi. Blouse kuda manaki same as pallu. Different ga unique ga untundi ilanti sarees drape chesinappudu, and the price is 7,600. CH182 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. Next saree. Wow, నీకు ఇలా క్రషీగా ఉంటే ఫ్యాబ్రిక్ చాలా ఇష్టం. ఇట్స్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ జార్జెట్ అండి ఇది ఫ్యాబ్రిక్. స్టన్నింగ్ గార్జియస్ బ్లాక్ కలర్, సచ్ అ ప్రిటీ సారీ. ఆల్ ఓవర్ బాందిని బుట్టాస్ ఇన్ రౌండ్స్. మనకి ఆరెంజ్ కలర్తో హైలైట్ చేశారు. బ్యూటిఫుల్ జరీ బార్డర్, చెక్స్ బార్డర్ విత్ లీవ్ బార్డర్. పళ్ళు వచ్చేసి జరీ చెక్స్ అండ్ పాస్లేస్. బ్లౌజ్ వెరీ లవ్లీ ఆరెంజ్ కలర్ బాందిని బ్లౌజ్. ఇది మనకి ఇంత చిన్నగా ఉంది అనుకోద్దండి, ఇది మనకి ష్రింక్ రోలింగ్ చేసినప్పుడు బాగా ఎక్స్టెండ్ అవుతుంది అనమాట. ఇవన్నీ కూడా రోలింగ్ సారీస్. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంది. వెరీ వెరీ ప్రిటీ సారీ. ఐ జస్ట్ లవ్ దిస్. చాలా ముద్దుగా ఉంది. 5,752 is the price. CH198 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. Next saree. Navy blue. Beautiful navy blue saree with bandhani buttas to waves, wavy lines. Border, half bandhani border, half diamonds bandhani. Pallu, Madhubani printed pallu. Madhubani printed blouse and the peacocks, florals anni untayi, leaves. Different ga untundi print. Like Worley printing laga untundi. 7,600 is the price. CH201 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. Next saree. Satin crepe, pure satin undandi idi. Bandhani, satin bandhani. Zari checks with bandhani buttas, florals, rounds, diamonds. అంతా కూడా జరీ చెక్స్. పళ్ళు కూడా బాందిని బుట్టాస్ అండ్ డౌన్ సైడ్ కడ్డీ. బ్లౌజ్ సెల్ఫ్ విత్ బార్డర్, ఇలా బాందిని బార్డర్. సో ఇలా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఇలా కూడా వేసుకోవచ్చు అండి, చాలా బాగుంటుంది. అండ్ ఇలాంటి బ్యూటిఫుల్ బ్లౌజెస్ కోసం మీ అందరికీ తెలిసిందే, కాంటాక్ట్ ఆర్ బ్రాండ్, ఆర్ ఫర్ రూపమణి అనేది బ్రాండ్ ఫ్రమ్ అవర్ బ్రాండ్ మందర్. Yes. And the pricing and details, 9,136. CH203 is the code. Yes, Deepthi garu, if you want us to roll the sari, definitely we'll మీకు చెప్తే జస్ట్ మీరు ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేయాలండి దీప్తి గారు. రోలింగ్ చేసి ఇవ్వమని పంపిస్తే కనుక డెఫినెట్గా రోలింగ్ చేసి పంపిస్తాము. దట్ ఆల్ యూ నీడ్ టు డూ ఈస్ జస్ట్ మెన్షన్ ఇట్ అంతే. మీరు వాట్సాప్ చేసినప్పుడు ఆర్డర్ ప్లేస్ చేశాక ఐ వాంట్ రోలింగ్ అని చెప్తే చేసి మీకు షిప్ చేస్తాము. సో యూ నో నీడ్ టు వరీ. హైదరాబాద్లో ఉంటే కనుక మీకు క్యాష్ ఆన్ డెలివరీ ఆప్షన్ ఉంటుంది. హాయ్ అండి గౌరమ్మ గారు. మౌస్మీ జీ హాయ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్, థ్యాంక్స్ లాట్. హౌ ఆర్ యూ జీ? Beautiful pink color, pink and black, very very lovely. Georgette, Bandhani Georgette, very soft fabric and all over Bandhani print. Border is contrast with checks. Pallu, zari lines pallu contrast. Blouse contrast, black color. Superb saree, చాలా చాలా ప్రిటీగా ఉంది. నాకు భలే ఇష్టం బాందిని సారీస్. ఇది 10,432. CH132 is the code. Take a screenshot and do WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. You're most welcome, Mausmiji. Thanks a lot. And that you don't need to tell us, ma'am, because our brand Mandar collections are very unique and different, and ilage keep on supporting brand Mandir Mausmiji and keep on loving us, and I'll be showcasing and showing lovely collections to all of you. Thank you so much for all your love and affection. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Next saree, very pretty. It's a matka silk fabric. It's a very soft silk fabric. Zari checks with mustard green color, shredded design, olive green shades. Bandhani buttas and zari checks. We used to get such kind of sarees in olden days, like 80s, 70s, that time. The Bandhani sarees are very famous at that time. Especially this checks wala sarees, zari checks wala sarees. If you remember, you can mention in the comment box. Beautiful sarees and very pretty border, maroon color with cross checks border. It's a diamond brocade border. Here Bandhani buttas, pallu contrast with Bandhani buttas and borders, zari borders. And this is the blouse, contrast, plain with border. And thank you so much, Mausmi ma'am, once again. Thanks a lot. 8,992 is the price. CH144 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the pricing and details and to ping us on 733-733-7000. So ఇవాళ సండే కదా, ఏమేమి స్పెషల్ చేస్తున్నారు యూ కెన్ మెన్షన్ ఇన్ ద కమెంట్ బాక్స్. సరదాగా మాట్లాడుకోవచ్చు మనం, నాట్ ఓన్లీ అబౌట్ సారీస్. యూ కెన్ డిస్కస్ some other things. ఎలా సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నారు సంక్రాంతి, దట్ ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ మెన్షన్ హౌ యూ లైక్ టు సెలబ్రేట్, వాట్ యూ ప్లాన్ అకార్డింగ్, అంటే ఫెస్టివల్ డేస్ ఎలా ప్లాన్ చేస్తారు. జస్ట్ మెన్షన్ ఇన్ ద కమెంట్ బాక్స్. మేము కూడా తీసుకుంటాం అలా సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకోవడానికి. వీ ఆల్సో ట్రై. అండ్ ఇఫ్ యూ do you know, pretty ladies, how to follow us in our digital platforms? If not, just have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Next saree, beautiful red and green. Bandhani Georgette checks wala saree with dollar butta in it and bandhani buttas. Border contrast with checks as well as floral vines border. Bandhani buttas. Pallu contrast with cross checks, bandhani buttas along with the borders. Blouse contrast with zari border as well as bandhani buttas. To buy the sari, here is the pricing and details. 8,800. CH195 is the code. Thank you so much. Hi, Indi Sai Kalyani Garu. How are you? Missing you all. And happy Makar Sankranti in advance to you too. Next sari. Next beautiful sari. It's a royal blue Banarsi sari, bandhani. It's a jute linen fabric. Yeah, here we go. Very, very beautiful sari. Light and dark shade. Zari checks with bandhani buttas. Border, it's a jute border. Bhagalpuri jute. Very, very pretty. This is the pallu. Zari check. It's a jute pallu with checks and bandhani buttas. And blouse we got. Yeah, this is the blouse with zari lines and bandhani buttas. Royal blue color blouse. Border color. And sari pricing and details. It's 12,848. CH191 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the pricing and details and do ping us on 733 733 7000. Next sari. Very beautiful, a green color. Chanderi bandhani. All over a floral vines the wavy lines as well as bandhani buttas the wavy lines. Border, floral vines border. Pallu, drop shape buttas, bandhani buttas along with the borders. Blouse, self plain with border, double border. Bandhani border as well as zari border. Pricing and details. 4,712. CH196 is the code. Sai Kalyani ma'am, I just check with the collections. Just stay tuned in our live. I'll just show you the purple whenever purple comes, purple and white. Just stay tuned in our live, ma'am. That's all. I'll just try to show you. Next sari. What specials you made, ma'am, today? As it's a Sunday. Any special? Sunday special? All over bandhani buttas. Beautiful orange, red shaded sari. Very pretty bandhani buttas and lovely motifs, camels, elephants. Very colorful tigers, peacocks. Very beautiful parrots. అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి చాలా చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంది. Beautiful bandhani georgette, pure with Paithani style border, kaddi with meenakari, florals, parrots and elephants, peacocks. Pallu anta kuda florals, peacocks, elephants unnai. Yeah. Blouse red color, contrast. Bandhani buttas and border. Ilaj. Sari pricing and details. It's 22,400. CH136 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and do ping us on 733 733 7000. Next sari. Beautiful bandhani sari, chanderi, pure chanderi. Wine color, very pretty wine shade. All over bandhani buttas. Border, multicolors, so half tie and dye. Bandhani. Pallu, beautiful kalamkari pallu with florals and peacock. Blouse, kalamkari printed blouse with border. Indigo blue. Very nice, kada? To buy the sari, here is the pricing and details. It's 7,600. CH184 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and do WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. Yes. Next sari, nice sea blue and ocean blue. Sea green with ocean in very, very pretty light and dark shades. Leaves the all over cross checks and floral butta and elephant butta, peacock and elephant buttas, bandhani buttas all over the body, border, floral vines, elephants and peacocks, contrast border, pallu contrast with beautiful motifs, paisley motifs and bandhani buttas, and lovely blouse, contrast with bandhani buttas and border. Very pretty, and the pricing and details, it's 11,904. CH200 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and do WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. Next sari. It's a tussar bandhani, beautiful tussar fabric. Very pretty charcoal grey, all over bandhani buttas. Very, very lovely, and look at the border. Tie and dye. Half diamonds, and this is the pallu, Madhubani printed pallu with fishes and florals rounds. Gorgeous pallu, and the blouse is also Madhubani printed blouse. Such a beautiful blouse, very lovely. Sari pricing and details, 7,600. CH133 is the code. Yes. Beautiful. It's a tussar. Very, very pretty fabric. Next, georgette ostundi. It's a georgette. Green color. Parrot green. Bandhani georgette. Anta kuda bandhani buttas to cross lines, dotted buttas. Loche. Zari border with elephants and deers. Raji Garu. Yes, we have everything. Georgettes we have, chiffons we have. These are very lightweight. Yes, very lightweight and very comfortable fabric. Very soft and very beautiful quality of fabric. And this is the pallu with bandhani buttas and zari lights. Blouse, crepe blouse. Pure crepe blouse. Self color. Pricing and details, 7,392. CH139 is the code. Very beautiful. These sarees are very lightweight. Next saree, lovely maroon color. Wow, nice saree. Zari checks with bandhani buttas. Border kaddi with florals, meenakari florals and vines. Pallu rich kaddi pallu, crushed kaddi with meenakari floral motifs. Blouse, beautiful blouse self with buttas, zari buttas and border. Sari pricing and details, it's 8,160. CH193 is the code. Not now. Take a screenshot along with the pricing and details and to ping us on 733 Hurry up guys, I'm just waiting for your messages. I'm so disappointed. నేను బాగా మిస్ అవుతున్నాను, మీరు మాత్రం మిస్ అవ్వట్లేదు నన్ను. I know. Wow, very lovely green color sari. Chanderi, all over bandhani buttas. Beautiful border, multicolors, bandhani, tie and dye, bandhani, half diamond bandhani. Pallu, Madhubani printed pallu with the stripes, fishes and florals. Pichukalu and mudduga annaya. Kites kuda vachai. Lotus, kites, very very lovely. Blouse kuda. So ilanti sarees kattukochandi sankrantiki chaala baguntayi. And this is the blouse, printed Madhubani printed blouse. Price vachesi oh 7,600 is the price. CH131 is the code. Hi Kalyani garu, fish curry chesara. Yes, I can smell here. Ikkadiki vastundi smell. You're from Kolkata, ma'am? Just asking. You're from Bangalore or Kolkata? I don't remember exactly. Next sari. Beautiful sari, light blue with pink combination, very settled color combination. Floral vines to cross stitch, pasleys and floral vines to cross stitch, and beautiful bandhani buttas in it. Border contrast with floral vines. Bhubaneswar, okay, got it. Pallu, bandhani buttas and floral motifs, zari florals. It's a contrast pallu. Blouse, blouse, yes, it's a contrast blouse with bandhani buttas and border. It's a very soft matka mixed undandi fabric. Definitely I'll come. I'm planning to come to Bhubaneswar. Definitely I'll try to come, ma'am. Thank you so much for inviting. And 10,784 is the price. CH141 is also code. Yes. Sai Kalyani ma'am, whenever you come to Hyderabad, you should meet me at Mandir. We'll go outside. Beautiful black color sari. Stunning, gorgeous. Banarasi bandhani georgette. Bandhani buttas as well as florals and vines. Very pretty deers, lions, rabbits. Border, baby lines and floral vines. In the middle we got red color, reddish maroon color border. Pallu, maroon color border with floral vines and lions and deers along with the peacock motif, peacocks and florals as well as bandhani buttas. Very beautiful. And the blouse is contrast, a self with bandhani buttas and border, highlighted with maroon color border. It's quite different and beautiful sari. Sari pricing and details, it's 17,536. CH138 is the code. Yes. So, how are you going to celebrate Makar Sankranti? Mention in the comment box. Give some ideas to us. Beautiful pink and red color sari. Cross stitch with bandhani buttas as well as geometric style peacocks, elephants and blocks. Complete geometric style. And this is the border, red color contrast with geometric style florals and diamonds. Pallu, checks with florals along with the borders. Contrast pallu. Blouse is contrast with bandhani buttas and border. Thank you so much, Sai Kalyani ma'am. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much. We'll meet for sure this year. And this is the pricing and details. 22,400. CH190 is the code. Sarika ji, what sari price you want, ma'am? Can you mention? Code. Can you send a screenshot of the sari and can you WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000? Thank you so much, ma'am, for watching live. Next sari. Lovely brown color sari. It's a pure chanderi all over bandhani buttas and downside multicolor tie and dye. Have diamonds, bandhani diamonds, and this is the pallu, Madhubani printed pallu with florals, diamonds. Very beautiful. And the blouse is also beautiful printed, Madhubani printed blouse with human motifs, florals and leaves. Very beautiful and gorgeous. Sari pricing and details. 7,600. CH189 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and do WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. Next sari. Such a beautiful saris. Bandhani Georgettes. These saris are truly blessing, Andy. Very comfortable saris. Cross checks. It's a parrot green, sea green and blue mixed combinations. Cross checks with bandhani buttas, round buttas. And border zigzag, downside zigzag design. Border is contrast with floral vines. Pallu, cross checks with florals. Florals and bandhani buttas. Blouse. Contrast with bandhani buttas and border. To buy this sari, take a screenshot like this. And do WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. Chinna technical issue. You can take a screenshot like this. And do just WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. And dear pretty ladies, do you know how to follow us in our digital platforms? If not, just have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Brand Mandir is a one-stop solution for all your special occasions. Indian handlooms, Jamnani from Bengal, gorgeous organza, and regal Paithani sarees. To shop all your favorites, click on the follow button and follow all the live shows.
Sari. Pink and red. Bandhani Georgette. Florals and pastels though, cross checks. Beautiful bandhani buttas. Border we get nice mirrors. Akkadakada mirrors unnadi sari anta. Border kuda floral vines, contrast border, floral vines, pastels and mirrors. Pallu, contrast with jerry border, jerry buttas and bandhani buttas along with the mirror work. Blouse, contrast with bandhani buttas and border along with the mirror work. Pricing 17,120. BR 390 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. Next sari. Beautiful blue color. Banarasi bandhani, tassel bandhani. Antique zari florals, bandhani buttas. Border, cross kaddi border, cross stripes. Pallu anta kuda antique zari pallu, cross checks and diamonds. Blouse, running blouse. You can go for maroon color as we got maroon color bandhani, so you can go for maroon color bandhani. different silk blouse. For customized blouses, contact our brand. R for Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandar. And sari pricing and details, it's 14,520. Tussar Bandhani. CH187 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the pricing and details and do WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. Next sari, nice brown shades, very lovely. The brown, light brown and dark brown and the pleats ki ila shredded laga undi. Let's look into the sari in detail like this. Yes. The blouse, contrast blouse, mustard yellow, brownish yellow, I can say. Bandhani buttas and border. And this is the sari starting. మనకి సారీ అంతా ఇలా వచ్చింది ప్లీట్స్ వరకు ఇలా షెడెడ్ మధ్యలో ఇక్కడ వరకు సీ కలర్ డార్క్ అవుతూ వస్తుంది సారీ అంతా కూడా. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ది లవ్లీ పల్లు. నైస్ కలర్ అండి, చాలా చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్గా ఉంది. క్వైట్ డిఫరెంట్ సారీ. మనకి షేడ్ మారుతూ వస్తుంది. ఆ మస్టర్డ్ బ్రౌనిష్ నుంచి అలా లైట్గా వచ్చి డార్క్ కలర్గా వచ్చింది, డార్క్ బ్రౌన్ షేడ్లో. ఆలివ్ గ్రీన్ అండ్ డార్క్ బ్రౌన్ మిక్స్డ్ ఉంది. చాలా క్యూట్గా ఉంది కలర్, చాలా చాలా నచ్చింది. వెరీ వెరీ ప్రెటీ, ఐ జస్ట్ లవ్డ్ ఇట్. అండ్ ద ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ హియర్ వి గో. 9,736. CH169 is the code. Very beautiful sari. Sai Kalyani ma'am, this was too pretty. Very lovely. Very nice. And this sari is very lightweight ma'am. Very beautiful. I just loved it. My kind of saris these are. If you like it, you can take it ma'am. But I can personally refer you. But it's very pretty sari. Quite different sari. Keep on changing the color. Very nice. Next sari, it's a double sari. Double shade, green and blue color. Florals, Bandhani buttas. And cross florals with Bandhani buttas. Border, floral lines border. Contrast border. Pallu contrast with cross checks, Bandhani buttas and floral buttas. Contrast pallu. Blouse is contrast with Bandhani buttas and border. To buy this sari, here is the pricing and details. It's 10,080. CH194 is the code. Take a screenshot and do ping us on 733 733 7000. Very nice. Next sari. Wow, nice maroon rust shade. Chanderi, pure Chanderi Bandhani. Cross checks and Bandhani diamonds. Border, half Bandhani border, tie and dye. And pallu, Madhubani printed pallu, cross checks with birds, elephants, birds, fishes, leaves and florals. Blouse same, printed, Madhubani printed blouse. Sari pricing and details 7,600. CH142 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. Hi fi ma'am, Sai Kalyani ma'am. Hi fi. Aruna Annapurna garu, hi andi. Welcome to Brand Mandar live show. Budget friendly zari quotas. Just stay tuned ma'am. Maybe this week we'll keep the quota saris. Surely you'll find budget friendly saris only, because we don't give more margin. We'll keep very less margin, and that too we are giving at weavers prices. It particularly for live users, especially for FB and Insta live users. So avail this opportunity to watch our lives. And don't ever worry about the quality and the fabric we give. We never ever compromise in our quality. We give perfect quality of fabric, of silk mark. So you don't need to worry about the fabric. So we have a very good name. So we don't want to spoil our name. So you don't need to worry. And anyhow, we are overwhelmed with your lots of trust and love. Keep on supporting Brand Mandar like this. and keep on loving us, and I'll be bringing beautiful collections to all of you. Thank you so much, Annapurna ma'am. Thanks a lot. Just stay tuned in our lives. Keep on watching our lives. Definitely Kota sarees అనేది చూపిస్తాము. Next saree. Beautiful. It's a tussar like matka tussar fabric, blue color, zari checks with bandhani buttas. And pallu, bandhani buttas and ended up with kaddi, rich kaddi. Blouse self with border. ఇలా border వచ్చింది డౌన్ సైడ్. ఇదంతా కూడా రోలింగ్ చేయాలండి సారీస్ అన్నీ కూడా. సారీ ప్రైజింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ 9,520. PT616 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and do WhatsApp us on 733 733 7000. Yes, next saree. Grey and olive green. Florals, the cross checks with beautiful bandhani buttas here. Floral motifs here, also floral buttas. Here stripes and floral buttas, bandhani buttas. Floral lines contrast border. Pallu contrast with cross checks and zari floral buttas, bandhani buttas. Blouse contrast with bandhani buttas and border. To buy this saree, here is the pricing and details. It's 9,768. CH130 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and do ping us on 733 733 7000. Next saree. Lovely pink color. పల్లె ఉంది కదా ఈ బ్లౌజ్కి సారీ అదిరిపోయింది. పింక్ అండ్ yellow combination makes very good pair. See how beautiful it is. Color combination. Gully kind. Zari checks with florals and bandhani buttas. Border kaddi like kaitani style border. Meenakari florals and vines kaddi. Pallu kaddi pallu with floral motifs. Meenakari floral motifs. Blouse beautiful self blouse with buttas and border. Saree pricing and details. $8,160. CH137 is the code. Thank you so much, Madhuri Garu. Thanks a lot. Next saree. Green color. Tussar sarees. Tussar Bhagalpuri. All over zari checks with florals and diamonds. Crisscross lines. It's a borderless saree. Pallu bandhani buttas ended up with rich kaddi. Blouse self with border వస్తుంది bandhani border. Price వచ్చేసి 9,520. CH143 is the code. భలే ఉంది కదా కోడ్. CH143. We love you. Next saree. Very pretty peach and olive green, like grey mixed olive green shade. All over floral buttas, bandhani buttas. Border cross checks with florals and floral vines border here. Pallu also contrast with cross checks and floral motifs and bandhani buttas. Blouse contrast with bandhani buttas and border. Saree pricing and details. 9,763. CH145 is the code. Yes. Next saree. Wow, nice red color. and the geometric style like patola style undandi, diamonds and elephant buttas, peacocks, bandhani buttas, very very pretty. Border kaddi with elephants, parrots. Pallu, wow, oval shape buttas, meenakari, very nice. Badini buttas illa different elephants ఉన్నాయండి చుట్టూతా buttas లో మనకి elephants, very nice kada, nice pallu, beautiful pallu. Let me show you the blouse. It's a different saree. Blouse self with border. ఇలాంటివి పెళ్లి కూతురు ఫంక్షన్ హల్దీ ఫంక్షన్స్కి కట్టుకుంటూ అద్దరిపోతాయి. 22,400 is the price. CH202 is the code. Yes. Next saree. Olive green, nice olive green shade. Pure chanderi, soft chanderi. Bandhani buttas all over the body. Beautiful tie and dye buttas, half bandhani border. Pallu, Madhubani printed pallu with floral birds. Blouse kuda Madhubani printed blouse. Very nice, cream color. అని ఇది బేజ్ అనేది ఇంకా అన్నిటికీ బేజే వస్తుందండి. బేజ్ మీదే మధుబని ప్రింట్ అయితే బాగా తేలుతుంది. సో ఇలా కూడా టీమ్ అప్ చేయొచ్చు. ఫర్ కస్టమైజ్ బ్లౌజెస్ కాంటాక్ట్ అవర్ బ్రాండ్ ఆఫరూపమని another brand from our brand Mandar. And ఈ సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్ 7,600. CH148 is the code. Hello, Bixika ji, how are you? Yes. And dear pretty ladies, do you know how to follow us in our digital platforms? If not, just have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Yes, now back to our collection. Next saree. Super pretty saree, Georgette, Bandhani Georgette, very very beautiful. It's a sea green, very beautiful. Antique zari floral in brown and peacock in it, florals and peacocks in rounds. Bandhani buttas in pink color. Border cross kadi and floral vines, antique zari. And we got a peacock here. Pallu cross checks and floral buttas, antique zari. And this is the blouse self with bandhani buttas and border. To buy this saree, here is the pricing and details. 21,560. CH192 is the code. Yes. Very lovely saree. Very lightweight. Very soft. Next saree. And log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com for everyday exciting deals. Just log on to our website. You will find a box like pop out and click on it and you'll be reached to our deals and mata particular day deals we'll be showing you, and from that you can select your favorite saree, and they are getting at very very reasonable prices. So don't miss the daily deals. Keep on log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com. And here we go with the saree, red and green, sea green, very pretty saree. Leaves the cross checks and diamonds, bandhani buttas, a nice border contrast with floral vines. Pallu, it's a contrast pallu with oval shaped floral motifs as well as bandhani buttas. Blouse contrast with bandini buttas and border. To buy the sari, here is the pricing and details. It's 9,768. CH199 is the code. And do WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. Next sari, very nice shade. Wow. Satin, very satin crepe sari. Bandini, very dark olive, teal green actually. It's a teal green shade. And we get a nice azrak printed pallu in grey color, grey and black mixed. Very nice azrak printed, very popular prints. And the blouse is also azrak printed blouse. It's a florals along with the border. Very, very stunning. Too good, lovely sari. And the pricing and details of the saris, 8,112. Take a screenshot along with the code CH204 and WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. Very nice. Next sari, lovely bright pink color sari, pure Chanderi tassel, checks, zari checks with beautiful bandini floral motifs. It's a borderless sari. And this is the pallu with bandini buttas, florals and khadi, ended up with khadi. Blouse self with border, bandini border. You can go for contrast color like this. Designer blouse. ఇంత హెవీగా కాకుండా కూడా కొంచెం సింపుల్గా yellow కలర్ పైన బాగా ఉంటుంది దీనికి. yellow కలర్, purple కలర్, like green color suits very well on pink. So to buy this sari, here is the pricing and details. 9,520. CH197 is the code. Next sari, nice red color. Very beautiful sari, orange and red. Cross curvy checks with bandini buttas, lions, birds, parrots, butterflies. Very, very pretty. It's lion, the tiger andi, not lion, it's a tiger. ఇది ఏంటో తెలియట్లా సరిగ్గా. బ్యూటిఫుల్ బార్డర్, ఇదంతా కొంచెం పటోలా స్టైల్లో వచ్చింది. అండ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ బార్డర్, geometric blocks with plant buttas, peacocks. Very, very pretty. Pallu, blocks, bandini buttas, and here different blocks, geometric blocks. Blouse, red color with bandini buttas and border. To buy this sari, here is the pricing and details. It's 22,400. CH185 is the code. Take a screenshot along with the code and WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. Next sari, the last sari. Two gorgeous sari. Next. Yeah. Dark brown, chocolate brown. It's a pure Chanderi bandini. Bandini buttas all over the body. Here multicolor tie and dye, half bandini border. And this is the kalamkari printed pallu, huge peacocks, florals and vines, beige color. And blouse is also beige in contrast with florals and vines. Sari pricing and details, 7,600. CH186 is the code. And take a screenshot and WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. Thank you so much, Kashmira Patel ji. Thanks a lot. Keep on supporting this way and keep on loving us, and I'll be bringing showcasing lovely collections to all of you. Here ends with the collections. Let's move to the mannequin sarees and its prices. Very nice wine color shade bandini, the one which I am wearing, alanti color combination. Cross checks with bandini buttas, birds, florals, elephants in blocks, and beautiful Pythony style border, floral vines, and peacocks and elephants in it. Pallu checks with peacock motifs. Blouse self with border. Saree pricing and details. 16,240 BC, 50 is the code. Take a screenshot and ping us on 733-733-7000. And that pretty blouse is from our brand, Alpha Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandar. Next saree, royal blue with sea green. All over floral buttas, bandini buttas. Very, very pretty. Beautiful contrast border. Floral vines border, and pallu also contrast with floral buttas and bandini buttas. Blouse contrast with bandini buttas and border. Saree pricing and details. 9,768. Take a screenshot along with the code CD72 and WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. And this blouse is from our brand again. Very pretty blouse. Next saree, pink and purple checks wala saree with bandini weave and it's not a tie and dye, it's a bandini weave, bandini style weave. Border contrast with elephants and peacocks, floral vines. Pallu contrast with cross checks, florals, bandini style weave vachindi, thread weave. And blouse kuda contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details 16,320. Take a screenshot along with the pricing and details and to ping us on 733-733-7000. Yes. And this gorgeous blouse is from our brand again, Alpha Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandar. Such kind of beautiful, gorgeous blouses, lehengas, dupattas and many more. Just contact our brand Alpha Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandar. Any query regarding designing, just WhatsApp us on 733-733-7000. So, ఇప్పుడు వరకు నేను చూయించిన beautiful bandini sarees అన్ని కూడా let's have a quick look. Bunch of beautiful bandinis. If you missed any screenshot, take a screenshot now. Very nice color combinations today, అన్ని exclusive ఉన్నాయి. And this is tussar అండి. ఆల్మోస్ట్ అన్ని చందేరి వచ్చాయి. ఇది టస్సర్, చాలా చాలా క్యూట్గా ఉంది. ఈ శారీ మాత్రం మిస్ అవ్వద్దు, చాలా ముద్దుగా ఉంది శారీ. సో హోప్ యూ ఆల్ లైక్డ్ అవర్ టుడేస్ లవ్లీ bandini జార్జెట్స్. మీకు నచ్చిన శారీని వెంటనే టేక్ అ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ అండ్ పింగ్ us on 733-733-7000. And this live video will be saved in Instagram, IGTV, Facebook as well as YouTube. So you will be having 24 hours time to grab this beautiful sarees at Weavers prices. So inko vishayam entante log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com for daily exciting deals, and do visit our stores to feel the fabric, to see lots of varieties. Come down to our stores. It's in road number 56 Jubilee Hills near Peddamma Temple, road number 10 Banjara Hills, and Patni Center, Secunderabad. It's a new store. Patni Center, Secunderabad, Harihara Kala Bhavan, and go to your nearby stores and explore our unique collection of sarees. Thank you so much for watching our live. Thanks a lot. See you in another live. Until then, bye bye. Take care. Love you all. Have a great day. Happy Sunday.
పాండమిక్ టైమ్స్ లో షాపింగ్ చేయాలి అనుకుని ఆగిపోతున్న వారికి బ్రాండ్ మందిర్ వాళ్ళు ఒక అద్భుతమైన అవకాశాన్ని కల్పిస్తున్నారు. అదే ఈజీగా ఆన్లైన్ షాపింగ్. మీరు బ్రాండ్ మందిర్ వారి యూట్యూబ్ పేజ్ కి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, లేదా ఫేస్బుక్ అండ్ ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ పేజెస్ లో కూడా బ్యూటిఫుల్ కలెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ సారీస్ ఫ్రమ్ బ్రాండ్ మందిర్ ని చూసుకొని అందులో నుంచి ఆన్లైన్ లో షాపింగ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, and all notifications for videos and live videos.